Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a very popular and traditional Bengali recipe, tel puri. It's a rich, spicy and comforting food, especially in winter, generally served with hot steamed rice. Well, there are many ways to cook it. In this video, I am showing you the easiest one. Let's get started. In a small bowl, take 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies and 1 raw Kashmiri mirch. If you don't get it, don't worry. It will not affect the taste of our recipe, but yes, definitely it gonna add a beautiful color. Soak them in hot water for 15 to 20 minutes. Here I have taken 3 climbing perch or koi mach, cleaned and washed, adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, coating nicely from all the sides. After that, keep aside. Now peel 1 inch of ginger and cut into pieces. Then slit 3 green chilies, in a grinder, take the cut ginger and soaked spices, grind them nicely to make a smooth paste. Such a beautiful color. Now in a pan, take 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. When starts smoking, add the marinated fish carefully. After 2 minutes, flip them gently. Fry them nicely from both the sides, but make sure to avoid over frying. Otherwise, fish skin will become hard and chewy. Take them out in a plate and keep aside. In the same pan, pouring 1/4 cup of mustard oil. This recipe needs a bit more oil to cook than other fish curries, hence the name itself is tel puri. When oil starts smoking, temper with 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds and 1 slit green chili. Once it splutters, add the spice paste. Make sure to use mustard oil only for this recipe. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and roast. Cover for 2 minutes. Do not forget to stir frequently to avoid the spices sticking to the bottom. Keep roasting till oil starts separating from the spice. After that, add 1 cup of water. When starts simmering, add the fried fish. Cover the fish with gravy using a spoon. Put the lid on for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip them carefully. Add rest of the slit green chilies and cover for another 5 minutes. Adjust seasoning if required. our tel pul is ready to serve. It's a very simple recipe but tastes awesome. Just have it with hot steamed rice.